Hello, this is Chris Roshnaut 24K on Twitter. Today I'm unboxing the Apple MacBook Air 2020 in gold. This has 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage space. The base unit has now gone up from 128 gigs to 256. This comes with a Core i3 Intel 10th generation processor. Here's your 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports. You actually still get a headphone jack right there. And look at how thin this is. Amazing. That corner is super thin. Wow. And then further inside the box, you get a charging cable right here. Everything's nicely wound up. And then you also get some documentation and of course the charger cube. And this is all USB-C now. And then this pops out to fit in the wall. They don't give you an extension cord anymore. This is all you get. You'd have to buy an extension cord, or if you have one from a previous MacBook, you could use that. So this is the new MacBook Air. It has the Core i3 10th generation CPU from Intel. This is in gold, and you get a headphone jack and 2 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports. This is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter.